In the rapidly evolving landscape of industrial automation, collaborative robots are emerging as game changers, especially when integrated with advanced AI technologies. These AI-powered cobots are transforming workplaces by taking on cognitively demanding tasks and working alongside humans, making automation more accessible and cost-effective. According to a survey by Universal Robots, over 50% of manufacturing decision-makers are already using AI and machine learning, with 47% planning to invest more in 2024 and 2025. AI-powered robots can analyze data, learn from their environment, and make autonomous decisions. This synergy improves operational effectiveness and creates more attractive job opportunities for human workers. Collaborative robots, enhanced with AI solutions, are significantly lowering the barriers to automation. They can be seamlessly integrated into existing operations, reducing the need for costly customizations. Ready to transform your operations? Contact Automation Distribution today to integrate cutting-edge technologies like Universal Robots' AI-powered cobots into your workflows. Your future in automation starts here.